Have you ever wondered why YouTube can be so time-consuming and why you can't stop watching videos? It seems like the platform knows exactly where my interests lie and how to let me forget time completely. But is the offer of entertaining distractions undermining my individual autonomy because I'm constantly influenced by the algorithm? Autonomy refers to self-government and responsible controls for one's life. One way of approaching autonomy without having to indulge in debates on free will is to instead talking of a personal perception of autonomy, sense of agency. In social science, agency is the capacity of individuals to have the power and the resources to fulfill their potential. But what does YouTube do exactly? Researchers from Google describe that the recommendation of which video to watch next is generated through a candidate phase and a generation phase. In the candidate phase, hundreds of options are generated from the total video corpus. The types of data that are used can broadly be categorized as 3 types: semantic data, user profile data, and behavioral collaborative filtering data. The semantic data consists of data about the videos such as keywords, tags, upload year, and description. Example of user profile data are demographic information and watch history. Behavioral collaborative filtering data contains information on which video others users have usually engaged with following the video the target the user is currently watching. Because of this, about 500 videos that are put into the second phase are videos with high engagement metrics, not necessarily videos that will satisfy the user. This means that in the second phase, the algorithm ranks a dataset that is already biased towards service provider objectives over user satisfaction objectives. What is so dangerous about the algorithm? The 2 main problems that are identified in relation to user autonomy can be categorized as excessive usage and unsatisfactory usage. While unsatisfactory usage is more linked to local optimization objectives, the 2 problems are entwined, as a user might categorize something as excessive usage because it is unsatisfactory. This can lead to social networks use disorders. These resemble addiction-like symptoms, which include loss of control and repeated use, and continuing to use the application despite negative consequences. So what would be the solution? YouTube should be more transparent about their algorithm and the meaning of the consent which has to be given by the user. But it has been reported that YouTube makes changes to its recommender system each year. The lack of transparency of how YouTube's recommender system functions has been criticized by researchers since it makes well-informed critiques of the system difficult. According to the facts, it is inevitable that the general public will deal with the functioning of YouTube and other platforms, and that information about opportunities and risks will be offered. Schools play an important role here.